The spooky season is officially upon us. Halloween is a bright and frightful holiday centered around costumes, candy, and creativity. So it's easy to see why it's one of the most spooktacular times of the year. If you want to stand out in the sea of black cats and witches' hats, here's our countdown of the 10 best templates for your Halloween party. All items featured are available with a monthly or annual subscription to Envato Elements. Get unlimited downloads on millions of digital creative assets, streamline your workflow, and enhance your creative projects with actions, graphic templates, add-ons, stock footage, royalty-free music, and more. If you haven't already, check it out by clicking the link in the description. Number 10. Scary Slideshow by Dehanby. This gothic After Effects template brings you the look associated with horror movies and 18th century literature we all know and love. The slideshow includes high-resolution dried branches, blood stains, and realistic spiders that will make you jump out of your seat. Number 9. Halloween Flyer by Webduck. If you're looking for a modern take on the Halloween theme, look no further. This trendy event invitation comes with 3 different color options and puts the performers front and center. Just fill in the date, time, and be ready for one of the most spectacular parties of the year. Number 8. Grime Cinematic Pack by Diomin. This grunge broadcast pack is great for promoting a rockin' Halloween party. The color overlays will get you a classic horror look and make your footage look extra scary. The download files include more than 30 elements ranging from openers, transitions, film effects, and animated backgrounds. All you'll ever need to promote your event. Number 7. Zombie Punks, the retro horror movie font by Wings Art. Zombie Punks is a font inspired by 80s VHS covers and the nostalgic video rental store experience. The classic horror hand-drawn typeface is supplied in 2 different styles, with additional underlines and paint spills. The perfect choice for movie posters, album covers, and, you guessed it, your Halloween party invitation. Number 6. Halloween Instagram Posts and Stories by Sco4. This graphics template includes 8 unique Instagram posts and stories that will get your audience excited for the upcoming season and special events. Just open up the files in Photoshop, edit the text, and add your images. And you'll get a dark style look that is suitable for the whole month of October. If you're loving our creepy countdown, be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel to keep getting updates on new videos for content creators like you. Don't forget to click the bell icon to stay up to date and never miss one of our videos. Number 5. Ink and Nature Compositions by Freezeron Media. If you love the opening credits for the Dark TV series, then you're in for a real treat. With this pack of textures and isolated objects, you'll be able to achieve an occult and mystic look that is both beautiful and eerie. Use it for your backgrounds, flyers, websites, and presentations. Number 4. The Ultimate Grindhouse Collection, Volume 2 by Phantasma. An homage to 70s and 80s horror, this template will let you be the protagonist of your own horror film. The package contains a variety of projects, sound effects, and design items for all your movie making needs. Use it as a promo, movie trailer, or an event recap. Number 3. Ghosttober Halloween Layered Font by Garrisman. Inspired by Halloween and spooky art, Ghosttober is an all-caps font that consists of 3 layers: regular, inline, and shadow. Modify these layers and use them in combination with the special characters to come up with unique and attractive titles for your posters, illustrations, or designs. Number 2. Halloween Flyer by Grapher. Inspired by the Universal horror pictures from the 20s era, this Halloween party poster is the perfect choice for a retro costume party. The download file includes a link to the font used in the preview, so you'll get the spooky look up and running in no time. But beware of the monster waiting for you when you arrive at the party. Number 1. Animated Zombie Grime Art Photoshop Action by Banging Joints. Turn yourself into a cartoon zombie with this grime Photoshop action. The process is pretty simple. Just select the area of the photo where you would like colorful melting accents, run the action through Photoshop, and you'll become the trendiest and most fashionable monster. Just a quick thing, please don't eat our brains. Hope you enjoyed our countdown of the 10 best templates for your Halloween party. Which item was your favorite? Leave us your answer in the comments below. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you found the content useful. And watch more content from Envato by clicking the thumbnail on the right of your screen now. Happy spooky season!